Good day. I'm Angeline Manalili from BSIT 4B, and today I will discuss VMware Workstation Pro installation. This is the process of installation VMware Workstation. First, open your browser and head over to Google and search VMware Workstation 17 Pro. Second, download the link and wait for it to finish VMware installation. And last, once it's done, open it and you can set it up. In Google search, type VMware Workstation Pro, and this is the link VMware Workstation Pro. And scroll it down and click download now. As you can see, it's downloading, and wait for a while to make it done. Then when it's done, go to File Manager and click Downloads, and you can see the VMware Workstation, and click it, and then wait for it. Again, next, and unselect it, next, and install. Wait for it to install properly or fully install. Then when it's done, click Finish. Then open the VMware Workstation Pro. And that's all for installing VMware Workstation Pro. And now, I will discuss the pros and cons of a VMware Workstation 17 Pro. Pros: great performance unlike most other products. Works on Linux. Great customer support. Extremely affordable. Highly customizable. Easy to use interface. Well-written documentation. And for the cons, some of the network settings are pretty hard to navigate. The VMware tools suite is not reliable for things like sharing files between guests and hosts, or sharing a clipboard does not always work. Have had issues with the shared folder features where it does not always work. Mounting host USB device to the guest virtual machine sometimes does not work at all. And for the VMware Workstation 17 Pro, new feature. Auto start virtual machine, new virtual trusted platform, new fold or fast encryption, support for WDDM 1.2, improved graphics design, OpenGL 4.3. And that's all. Thank you for watching.